Hi, this is Vijay Bambani. I'm still recording my videos from my residence, as you would have made out from the background noises of the birds chirping and the waves of the ocean. Beautiful atmosphere, and today it's even started raining here. So I hope you're staying safe, staying indoors, but as usual, keeping your finger on the pulse of the market. And if you have been keeping your finger on the pulse of the market, what happened on Friday, the 29th of May 2020, should have definitely caught your attention. Yes, I'm talking about the flare-up in prices of silver. Throughout 2019, in my videos on Equitymaster, I have been advocating that silver is a dark horse. It has the potential to surprise you on the upside. The reason is not very far to see. I've been observing silver ever since it was listed on the MCX approximately 17 years ago. And what I have seen is that it's a slumbering giant. Do you remember Kumbhakarna, Ravana's brother in the mythological classic Ramayana? He slumbered, but when he woke up, the earth tremored. He would create havoc. Now, silver is your Kumbhakarna. It does not move for years, but when it does, you better watch out. And silver, after having made a peak at almost $50 a troy ounce in 2011, April to be precise, 2011, has collapsed significantly, and it's like been a bone-crushing decline. It's only because the rupee has depreciated against the dollar that silver prices have not really taken as big a hit in India as they have in the international markets. But that same weakness in the USD, in the rupee, is now going to drive prices of silver in percentage terms possibly significantly higher and give you returns that might compete or even better the return on gold. So if you remember, last year I made a video on Equitymaster about why I think silver might just outperform gold. You see, silver is not just a precious metal. It also goes into industry, right from your artificial knee joints to your dentistry to basically water purification. And let's never forget the photovoltaic cells for solar energy. So the more you depend on alternate energy sources, clean energy sources, renewable energy sources, call it what you may, you are going to come back to silver. So if you want to bulletproof your portfolio from the volatility that you're currently witnessing worldwide, I think having some amount of bullion and other asset classes is necessary. Think about what really happens if you were to have an equity-only portfolio. I'm frankly very amused about the kind of advice or the kind of sales talk that I received from a couple of my friends about why I should be equities-only investor. They laugh at my sovereign bond, sovereign paper holdings. They laugh at my alternate asset holdings. They laughed at my portfolio diversification. And they all are hell-bent on trying, of course, well-meaning. They are all hell-bent on trying to convince me to be an equities-only portfolio, telling me how if I had been allotted 100 shares in Infosys in its IPO or TCS or Wipro in its IPO, I would have been a millionaire many times over. What they are very conveniently forgetting is the number of stocks like Pentafor Software, Satyam Computers, and a whole lot of other stocks that simply don't exist. They are delisted today. All right. Where are those stocks now? So for every winner, I can give you possibly 50 losers. Must you keep all your money in one basket? I don't think so. And within the basket that has international appeal, bullion can never be overlooked. You can sell bullion like this from Mumbai to New York to London to Frankfurt to Colombo, wherever in the world, in Singapore, you carry a little bit of bullion in your pocket, it can get sold. It has universal appeal. And as far as percentage return goes, if I expect silver to go up a little more than gold, I think it makes sense to own a little bit of both. And where the silver outperformance is concerned, I'm basing my hypothesis. It's not even a hypothesis, it's a proven fact as far as I'm concerned, but let me just convince you. You can, of course, feel free to disagree. Silver has a beta reading. Now, if you've read my work on my social media pages and Equitymaster's Telegram channel, which I would highly recommend you should join, it has the official handle Equitymaster Official, wherein I put up a couple of updates every day, Monday to Friday, and I would love it if you would read what I have to put up there. Now, if you have been following up on my work, you would remember that I am a big fan of statistical analysis, and I depend, amongst other things, statistical beta, which means the volatility. Silver has a statistical beta which is far higher than gold, which means when it moves, it really moves. And you know what happens to gold when it moves? That also really moves. Which is why, statistically speaking, silver has the potential to basically outperform the return on golds should this current upthrust continue. Will it continue? Nobody knows, which is why diversification. Buy both. Hold a little bit of both gold and silver. Here's hoping you resort to asset allocation and diversification of your money in paper assets as well as hard assets. Vijay Bambwani signing off for now. Till we meet again in my next video. Don't forget to click like on this video if you're watching it on YouTube. In the comment section, do let me know what you think about this video and what else you would want me to record in my next video. Do not forget to share this video with your family and friends and help me spread the cult of knowledge-based investments. Please do take very good care of yourself, your family, your trades, and your investments. Thank you for watching.
Also, do not forget to subscribe to my free email newsletter, Fast Profits Daily, and get my free guide, How to Trade Markets Like a Pro.